Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video lesson, we are going to learn an array of structures. An array of structure is nothing but the array of structure variables. In the previous video lesson, we have seen how structure works. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, code blocks ID is open and the new blank file is on the screen. Save the file as student1.c. Let's start coding. Hash include stdio.h int main opening brace. First of all, we are going to declare a structure struct student opening brace char name subscript 20. This is our first member. Int roll no for roll number, float percentage semicolon. Now to access structure we need a structure variable, but instead of creating single variable we are creating an array of structures. So let's do it. Struct student capital S subscript 3 semicolon. Here S is an array of structure where we can store the data of 3 students. Now we are going to enter the data into an array. For that we need an index variable of an array. So I am going to declare it int I. Now or loop. Before that I am adding this printf statement. Printf \n enter data of 3 students. Okay, semicolon. For I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus opening brace. Printf \n enter name semicolon gets in bracket capital S subscript I dot name semicolon. Printf \n enter roll number semicolon. Scanf %t comma ampersand capital S subscript I dot roll no semicolon. Printf \n enter percentage semicolon. Scanf %f comma ampersand capital S subscript I dot percentage. Okay, now I am going to add one more statement to clear the output buffer, that is f flush stdin semicolon. Now it's time to print the data. For I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus opening brace. Printf \n student hash %t comma I plus 1 semicolon. I am going to include this statement in above loop also. So control C, control V. So it will print student1. After that we can enter name, roll number and percentage of student. In the second run it will print student 2, and that's all. Okay, so printf backslash n name equal to %s comma capital S subscript I dot name semicolon printf backslash n roll number equal to %d comma capital S subscript I dot roll no semicolon, and last statement printf backslash n percentage equal to %f comma capital S subscript I dot percentage semicolon, and at last return in bracket 0 semicolon. Program is finished now. Save it again. Compile the program. Compile current file. Okay, I forget dot here. Saving the program again. Now compiling, build, compile current file. Now it's okay. Let's run it to view the output. Build, run. Now I am going to enter the data of 3 students. Say Krishna, enter 101, enter percentage 99, Ritu, enter roll number 102, percentage 98, and third student is Krish, roll number 103, and percentage are 96, enter, and you can see the output on the screen. If you want to store data of 100 students, then replace the subscript of array of structures to 100 and also replace the 3 with 100 in both the loops. So that's all for this video lesson. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch the upcoming interesting video lessons. If you have any doubt or query regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.